Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jose, also known as City Aperture. I just wanted to share a quick project with you guys again today. Hopefully you're enjoying the channel so far. I want to share a quick project. It's actually a project that I'm wearing right now, and it's not the hoodie. It's actually this wedding ring that I'm wearing right here. It is a 3D printed wedding ring. I'll bring it up so you guys can see it. Hopefully that's focusing on it. If not, I'll put some pictures up of it. I just wanted to share this project. I wanted to design some new wedding rings for my wife and I. And I did a quick sketch. This is how I started every project. You can see here, hopefully that focuses. If not, I'll insert some images on there. I'll insert an image of it on there. But it's based on the idea of the cityscape. So, the buildings, my wife's an ecologist, so her half was going to be the sky part of it. My half is going to be the building part of it. So I 3D modeled the whole thing in 123 Design. It's a free software from Autodesk for 3D modeling. I'll put a short video of it. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes to model both rings, because I was printing one for each of us. I'm going to put a short condensed version of it here. If you guys want to see the full thing, I guess leave me a comment, and if enough people want to see the full modeling video, I can put that up. That's its own video. But it's fairly straightforward. It has two thicknesses to it. Once I finished modeling it, I took it to the public library here in DC, where there's a fabrication lab, and I 3D printed it there on one of the MakerBots. It's the MakerBot Replicator 2. I'll put a little video of that part as well. The first time around printing it, it failed. The printer had a little issue with its extruder, so it wasn't extruding filament correctly. So I had to try it again. It took, once I got the settings right, I changed some settings around, and once I got the settings right, it took about 16 to 19 minutes to print one. I got one printed, and this is the first sort of prototype of it. I'm going to mess with the design a little more. It's a little thick overall. If you notice, there's two thicknesses to it. There's this sort of the thinner part of it, and then the bottom is slightly thicker. And I think the bottom part's a little too thick. I think the whole thing should be about the thickness of the thin one, the thin inner ring. So I'm going to mess with it some more. A few people have told me that I should make specific skylines. This is just sort of different heights right now, sort of trying to show the idea behind it. Once I'm at a design that I like, and maybe we'll do specific skylines. The design's gonna keep evolving. I'm gonna use this one as it is right now. I need to sand the inner part of it a little bit, just because it has a little bit of print goop on there. So I'll clean that up a little, and I keep using it as it is while I keep messing with the design and modeling of it. And but otherwise, easy project, quick. Fairly quick. I mean, I guess when you took out the printing and design, but it took about 2 hours total. It might take a few more minutes to sand it. So it's hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'll take some high resolution photos of it and drop them in the video. But hopefully you guys enjoy it, and let me know what you think. Let me know any suggestions you have about the design as we move forward. I've had some thought on it. I talked to some friends about it. It's going to keep going, an ongoing project here, the wedding band. So hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing so far.
If you guys like this project, then maybe you'll enjoy the podcast that I do with my two colleagues, Claudia and Ray. We discuss purpose-driven design, making, and manufacturing. We talk about architecture. We talk about all sorts of making. We have a project of the week. So please check it out. Again, it's called The Made Podcast. Thanks so much.